Okay, parte na tong sak ng tsaka ko at ulo. At dito pala. Oh, ito.
Of course it is always there. Bro, why does the boy keep getting all the kills? He stole everyone's kills. Bro, where's the fort? Where's the fort guy? Where's the fort guy? Where's the fort guy? He keeps stealing everyone's kills. Okay, fair. Fucking trying to be confident.
Part 11.